guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations. Today I come to you, as you can see, with this month's Tonic craft kit. I'm so excited. Let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm going to move it to the side. Did I just move the camera? Let's check and see. Make sure y'all ain't looking at all my mess, right? Okay. Woo! Alright. So the first thing I see... Oh, it's extras, but I like to go with the paper. Oh, this month is a new binder. Every third subscription, you get every third kit, you get a binder. I love it. Binders are awesome to keep your dies in. All right, so the first thing I like to do is look at the paper. All right, so let me get the little cheat sheet out. It has the name of everything. All right. So this one is the Sassy shell bag. Ooh, awesome. This is kit number 66. And let's go through the paper. I love these little folders to keep your papers in. So this first one I see is the glitter card, Turquoise Lake. Turquoise Lake. Y'all know what I'm saying. And then I see we got some classic card. We got lots of classic card. All right, so this one right here is classic card Amethyst Purple. Amethyst Purple. We got classic card, I think this is Teal Blue. Teal Blue. Classic card, oh, we got two of these. Cream. I got my door open and a darn fly done came in here. Come on now. The next one we got is Mauve Purple. Mauve Purple. And another classic card we got is Ocean Blue. So those are the classic cards we got. And the last one that we got in this pack. Oh, I love this pattern on here. It is a specialty card and it's called Lilac Waves. Can y'all see that wave design? I'm trying to move it all over so y'all get to see. If that light hits it just right, you're able to see those waves in there. This is a beautiful colorway. Absolutely love it. So you know it's ocean themed. Love those patterns. All right. So that's the paper we get this month. And let's look at the Nuvo products. Because we had some that were not in the bag. So I am excited. So let's see. All right, we got the ribbon. I always love the 3mm ribbon. And this is double satin ivory white. Absolutely love the ribbon. Then for the Nuvo drop, we got a crystal drop that is Morning Dew. I love Morning Dew because it dries clear. It has just a little foggy kind of look on it. And I have some of those, so I'll keep it in the bag. And then we got, oh, a sparkle spray. I don't think I have this color. Awesome. This one is called Cream Gold. No, was it cream? Cream? Yes, Cream Gold. Look at that. I don't think I have that one. Wow. And I can hit a little ball in there. Wow, this is pretty. Yes, honey. The next thing we got in here is Smooth Precision Glue Pen. I can't talk this afternoon. I don't know what's going on. My throat dry. Maybe it's from all this pollen. But this one is a Nuvo Smooth Precision Glue Pen. And it's a liquid. It has a lot of liquid in there. It's very fluid. Oh, yeah. I like that. Let's see what the tip looks like. Oh, okay. So this is good to use just like using the tip like for this. A little thin nozzle. So that's cool. I know this one's a little bit thinner than that one, but it's still like a pen. Cool. So I can get rid of this. So that's going right here. And then I got these. Okay, so I think there was two different types that you would get for the Diamond Hybrid Inks. So there was Dream in Color or Tropical Fruit. I have Dream in Color. This is more of a paler I think the other one was more bright. But this is mint macaroon, lotus flower, and powdered peach. Beautiful colors. Look at the colors there. Absolutely beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. So that's what we got in our Nouveau pack. Now let's get to the dies and stamps. Wow. Beautiful. The Sassy shell bag. I like to take that out, put it right on here. So when I put it in the binder, I know exactly what it is. All right, so, oh, and it came with the instructions, guys. Amazing. So we got 2 die sets this time. Okay, I can't read the words. Hopefully I can see them on this paper. Let's see. No. See you soon. S-E-A, you soon. I know one of them says that. Let's celebrate. On by the pictures. That's what I see. See. Oh, sensational. Sensational. Just for you. And then you heard me say the other ones. This looks like the outline. And then part of the side. So this makes a bag. I done said that word on how many times? I forgot. It's got a dotting here on that side and a straight edge here. A little tag. Here's another little tag, a seashell shape. I don't know what's going on with my mouth today. And then we got this one that makes the the bag itself, where you have the outline and the sides. So of course you'll cut 2 of these, and this is the detail. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I like this shell. Okay, so that goes on here like that, or no, like that. I had it upside down. And then you have the 2 decorations that have to go there. You don't have to do this detail, but when you do, if you don't, you can use just this shadow part. Oh, and look at here on the sides. You can also emboss, make it look like a mermaid side, or this beautiful detail here for the sides here. And then you got a little shell and a starfish. This is so cute. Very cute. And this one has instructions. You can see it behind there. And for the stamp set, ooh, that's a big stamp set. So even if you don't want to do the die cut and you just want to stamp out in color, look at this beautiful image. OMG. Absolutely love this. This is so pretty. You got the main shell, and then you also have the side of the pockets here that you can put on both sides. And then look at this. Some more detail. It's probably for, I don't know. We have to figure that out. Let's celebrate. We have another starfish. We have another shell. And then it says, wishing you oceans of joy. That is a huge stamp, guys. Let's measure it. That stamp is from that shell to that side. It is 4 3/4 inches wide by, I'm going to the bottom, 3 3/4. Good googly boo. That's a big stamp. So that is what we have for this month in kit number 66. Absolutely love this. This is the Sassy Shell Bag Die Set. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Did y'all end up getting this kit? Have you already played with it? Let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.